American style carrot juice. First you need some carrot, piece of ginger, sugar, your jug, your strainer, and also your blender. What I'm going to do right now is wash my carrot and my ginger and dice them. Now the carrots are freshly washed. What I want to do now is dice up my carrots into fine pieces. So let's get that done. Guys, I'm finished dicing up the carrots. I just went ahead and cut up the ginger into smaller pieces. What I'm going to do now is add the carrot and the ginger to the blender. Placing the carrot and the ginger in the blender. Not all of it, using some water, fully to the top. I think right here until it covered all the carrots, I would say. To go ahead and blend it. Strain it out in the strainer. While it's straining, now I'm going to add the rest of carrots in the blender and doing the same procedure as well. Using your hand now to just squeeze out the juice. What I'm about to do now is to add some sugar to my carrot juice. You guys can use brown sugar, white sugar, anything you use to sweeten your drink. After mixing and sweetening your drink how you like it, you just get a cup and voila! This is how I made my carrot juice. If you enjoyed, remember to give this video a thumbs up. Comment below, tell me your thoughts on what you would like for me to prepare next for you, and also share this video. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!